It's Monday, February 6th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. We begin the week with the latest buzz in the travel business. New turbulence for air travel, with several airlines, including Air Canada, British Airways, and Delta, all wanting the Supreme Court of Canada to hear their beef about the nation's Air Passenger Bill of Rights. A legal effort which also involves the International Air Transport Association is claiming that Canada's charter ordering you to be compensated for things like flight delays and damaged luggage violates global standards, and at the very least shouldn't impact international travel. While we're at it, Air Canada's pilots are apparently looking for a bigger stick when it comes to contract negotiating. The Air Canada Pilots Association confirming merger talks with the larger and more powerful Airline Pilots Association. American and Delta pilots also considering the move. The more you listen, the more you know. Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news impacting you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Short-term caution but long-term optimism from the latest crystal ball on BC's housing market. The province's Real Estate Association updating its forecast for the next 2 years, suggesting that while 2023 sales will likely be down by just over 7% from last year, 2024 home buying is expected to surge by nearly 24% to over 93,000 units. Nothing official quite yet, but Vancouver-based Asico Mines is advising investors that it's currently in talks to raise its share of the big Gibraltar copper mine. While the company already controls 75% of the massive pit, the talks with Caribou Copper are aimed at adding a further 12.5%. And an extremely busy week ahead, with StatsCan reporting December trade numbers on Tuesday, domestic tourism data Wednesday, and January labor force results on Friday. We also have several high-profile corporate earnings due out this week, including Cineplex Q4 numbers on Tuesday, Great-West Life on Wednesday, BC Forest giant Interfor, airplane maker Bombardier, and Ontario cannabis producer Canopy Growth will report quarterly numbers on Thursday, and pipeline giant Enbridge will share its Q4 results on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.